reason that we wouldn't just make our own weather effects for the movies. We're going to give you a demonstration of how we make a rainstorm here in Old Mexico. Ooh, so you can hear a little bit of thunder, right? You can see a little bit of lightning. Those are just speakers and strobe lights creating the effects around us for the rainstorm. And now we just need our rain. There it is. This is actually a very simple effect. If we have any future filmmakers on board, you could very easily do this at home if you wanted to. If you still live with your parents, make sure you do it outside though so they don't get mad. If you live on your own, do what you want. So, this is an overhead sprinkler system that would normally be used to put out fires. What we do is we take the sprinklers, we turn them upside down, we put them on top of poles, and then they shoot water into the air. That water falls back down to earth naturally, giving it the appearance you see here of rain. Very simple effect. We've been doing it this way for a very long time. So, you could need a rainstorm like this for a movie, or you might need a flash flood. You could get just a little bit wet, you guys, especially if you're in the front car and wearing a blue hat. Yeah, that's a flood. You're right. You are an expert. Huh? You got soaking wet, huh? Well, you chose the right seats. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. If you chose to sit in a blue seat on the tram, it's the splash zone. They're all blue. So if you look to the right, you'll see a sign that says, "Welcome to San Francisco." Also, if you read the other signs, they say, we can make them look very real on film. This is an episode of Bones, which was on years ago, that filmed inside of Soundstage 50, the soundstage we were just in. Movie magic. Now, speaking of things that look more realistic on screen, we are heading to Amity Island, that small New England town where that man-eating shark Jaws made his movie debut. And you're probably worried about the shark. Well, only half of us have to worry about the shark because he's a man-eating shark, not a woman-eating shark. So, ladies, we're okay. Guys, you're on your own. He really only does circles like that when he's hungry. Uh-oh. Hey, diver guy? Hey, diver guy. Swim, no, don't go underwater. Hey, swim back towards your boat. Swim back towards your boat. I think there's a shark in the water. I know there's a shark in the water with you, actually. I saw his fin. Uh-oh. Kids, it's just Kool-Aid. Just throw this Kool-Aid in the water there. Yeah, he'll respawn. Just like in those video games we all play, right? Oh my goodness, Arlene, this is probably the worst place you could have chosen to redo your hair, girl. I gotta say, you could have chosen any other area of the park, and I think we would have been in less danger. You guys, keep an eye out for that shark. You really never know where he's gonna pop up next. You should all be up here. They're funnier than I am. So that's Bruce, you guys. That's our mechanical shark, Bruce. He was pretty good, right? I saw the fear in your eyes. I saw it. You guys were all scared. You were like, a real shark in a lake? Where'd that come from? So, Bruce works day in and day out for us. He never really gives us any problems. Steven Spielberg, he had 3 mechanical sharks that he used for the filming of Jaws. None of them worked as well as Bruce. One of them actually sunk to the bottom of the ocean on the first day of filming, so I bet that was exciting to have to retrieve. The other 2, they caused so many problems. And then that 4 that also looks like it might be from the 50s right next to it, those again, visual cues, right? So if you're watching a television show and all the cars look like they're from the 50s, and everything people's wearing, the garb or wardrobe is all looks like it's from the 50s, we wouldn't have to tell you that it's set in the 50s, you would just know it, just from visual cues, right? A filmmaker that was great at using visual cues over dialogue was the master of suspense, Alfred Hitchcock. You guys are looking at 2 of the most iconic sets in Hollywood. We got the Bates Motel at the bottom of the hill here, a Psycho house at the top of the hill. Yes, we do, Norman. Yes, we do. It's Alfred Hitchcock. He brought us movies like Rear Window, Vertigo, The Birds, and of course, Psycho, among many others. He's an amazing, amazing filmmaker. If you look in the upper left-hand window of the Psycho house, you might be able to catch a little peek of Mother. She is what nightmares are made of, though, so that's my disclaimer. Mother's terrifying. Almost as terrifying as the set we're driving into right now. The crash site set for Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Arguably one of the most impressive sets in Hollywood, definitely here on the Universal Backlot. So we will take a brief picture stop here. As a reminder, we're about 10 minutes away from the end of our tour, so if you have any sort of guest assistance needs, pull that forward and remain seated.
Is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Steven.
You put together to sit down and talk about the world. That's why what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. Listen, close your eyes, okay? Down close. Bobby, get in. Get in.
Come on, Bobby, we got a tour to do. Let's go. So the airplane on your left-hand side, that's a real Boeing 747. We've got a real school bus there, real cars that were set on fire. Steven Spielberg believes in using realism for his movies, practical effects, real, tangible things, like a set that you can walk through, right? Some filmmakers would prefer to go the visual effects route, like Michael Bay loves to use it. Oh, cool. You guys, we stumbled across a mid-afternoon dance party.
Everybody out! It's the FBI! Turn that music off!
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Neil,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
We want to make it a little better this way, so that's like really interesting. So why don't you go ahead and put those 3D glasses back on? Just as a precaution. I think they'll look really nice in the spots for the show. As with any other attractions, we say to keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle and bring them over your head. If you have a sort of emergency. That's fine.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You can be the witness to run over and call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the dogs!
Way to go, Letty.
Don't let another missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Don't shoot! Heading to the bridge! Under construction!
Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
So this is how we go. Yeah, he's supercharged, y'all. Brought to you by